Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Geo account, a 5G-ready SIM, and a phone that supports Geo 5G. This matters because the network checks IMEI and SIM profile. Once you insert the SIM, open Settings and set network mode to 5G/4G/3G. Make sure data roaming is off if not needed. After changing the mode, restart the device so the SIM and phone handshake with Geo's 5G core and obtain the correct data profile. Next, fine-tune settings that ensure high-speed 5G and unlimited usage. If your phone didn't auto-provision, manually set the APN to GeoNet and leave authentication/other fields default. This routes data through Geo correctly. Also enable VoNR or VoLTE so voice services don't drop 5G data sessions. Once done, open the MyGeo app to confirm the active unlimited 5G plan and validity. The app tells you whether the network assigned a 5G data bearer and the plan's fair use limits, if any. Finally, confirm performance and resolve common hiccups. Run a speed test. If results are below expectations, move to a clearer location as buildings can block millimeter wave cells. If 5G does not appear, toggle airplane mode, reboot, and reinsert the SIM. Make sure carrier settings are up to date and your IMEI is registered with Geo. If problems persist, check the MyGeo plan page for any restrictions and contact Geo support, providing your IMEI and account details so they can verify provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.